Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latifulbari with you. Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you how to create subscribe button and bell icon on YouTube videos in Camtasia. For that, open Camtasia first. Import the videos you want to work with. Here I am working with a copyright-free video for this tutorial. And also import the green screen subscribe button and the bell icon video. I'll give you the link of the green screen video in the description. Hope you know we need a transparent video to work on another video. That's why we use a green screen for such subscribe button and bell icon videos. Okay, now drag the main video into your timeline. Then drag the green screen video into an upper track. Here remember the most important thing, always keep the green screen video into an upper track. If you put into a lower track, then it will be not appeared and it will not work as per your expectation. You see, now it's showing. Okay, now we have to remove this green screen to have our exact look. For that, you need to go to the tools panel on the left and find for the visual effects button. Well, it is not showing here, so you need to click on more, and here it is. Just click on it. Here you will find the remove a color panel. What you need to do is just drag it onto your green screen video, like that. Now go to your video properties on the right. Sometimes it may not be seen here. Don't panic, just click on the properties icon here and it will be appeared. Now click on color drop down menu and here click on select color tool from image. Now go to your canvas and click on a near area of your subscribe button. Then it's magic. You can see the subscribe video is now transparent. It's pretty easy, right? Now you can move your button and resize it as per your expectation. Let's play the video. Well, I would love to see it a little bigger. Now it looks good. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.